pretty easy. Anytime somebody says they don't want to do something, they don't have time, I'll just run through a simple framework. Okay, fair enough. So let's pretend you qualified for an extra $10,000 worth of benefits. Would you still not have time? Okay, so it sounds like, and then I addressed the issue. It sounds like you just don't think this call is worth your time. There's a big difference. Same thing with, oh, I don't want to change. Fair enough, you don't have to. So it sounds like no matter what, you wouldn't be interested in changing. I don't do it up front first because I want to get past the resistance barrier. There is built-in resistance a customer is supposed to have. I can't remember who it was the other day, but they're complaining about customers saying they're busy and all these things. And I said, why are you complaining? They should be telling you those things. That's the industry we're in.